In this lecture, we're going to show a new tool, and this is jog bend. A jog bend consists of two bends created by using a single bending line. The sketch of the jog bend must be a single line, and it's not mandatory to be created through the entire length of the face. So let's show how this works. So let's go to this face, let's create a new sketch. Like this. Let's select the line and let's create a line here. Somewhere here. Like this. So the line doesn't have to go through the entire length of this bend. Now let's go here to the sheet metal, and now we're going to select here jog. Like this. As well, here we have to select the fixed face, so we can select the left side of this line or the right side. Let's select the left side. Like this. And now here we can see the preview. Now here we have two bends. The first bend here and the second bend here. So the first bend is here where we have a line. And the second bend here is with some offset distance, and this offset distance is here, as you can see. So here we have a blind offset distance 30 millimeters. We can change here direction like this, or we can go like this. As well, here we can change the bend radius. We can uncheck use default radius, so let's go with 3 millimeters like this. Here we have also jog position, so we can go here with bend center line, we can go material inside, we can go here material outside, and we can go here bend outside as well. As well, here we have the jog angle. We have a 90 degrees by the default. Let's go with 60. Now we got this result. Or we can go, for example, with 130 like this. This is also possible. But let's go here with 90 degrees. Now let's go here and let's explain this offset distance, because here we have dimension positions. Here we have three options. We have outside offset, we have here inside offset. Now we can see the difference, and here we have overall dimension, and as well now we can see the changes. Now let's go here to the front view like this. And so if we change this, we can see here the changes. So let's go here to the first one, outside offset. So what is the outside offset? How is it measured? So the outside offset is measured from this edge here to this edge here, this one here. Then here we have inner offset. Inner offset is measured from this edge here to this edge here, to this inner edge. And the last option here, overall dimension, this one here is measured from this edge here to this edge here, like this. So you can select here any option that you want here. The first one, the second one, or the third one. So let's go here with outside offset, like this. Now here we have another option, and this is fixed projected length. So if this option is checked, this length is equal to this length here. So the result of the jog bend here is equal to this one here, as you can see. The length is equal, so which means that here on bends, we had to add material. If we don't want to add a material, if we want to only use this material that we have here, then we can go here with uncheck, like this. And now we can see that this material here, that was here, is used here for this bend. This one here and this one here. So you can go here with fixed projected length, like this, or you can go without fixed projected length, like this. So if you don't want to add some extra material to the bend, then you can uncheck fixed projected length, like this. Let's click OK here. And this is the result, like this. And now if you look here on the Feature Manager Design tree, here we have a jog 1. We can open this. Here is our sketch. We can edit this sketch. And here we have the jog bend 1 and the jog bend 2, like this. Now we're going to create a new sketch. So let's go in this face. Let's go normal 2. Like this. Let's select the line. Let's create a line here, like this. Let's go to the sheet metal. Let's go to the jog. Let's select the fixed face. Let's select this one here. And this is our result, as you can see here. And here we have a checked fixed projected length. Let's click OK. And this is how you can use a jog bend tool. So make sure that you understand what is fixed projected length. In the next lecture, we're going to show another tool, and that is hem feature.